Looking to remove your email from your Facebook page? Let's go through the steps to guide you on how to do it. To begin, open the Facebook app and log in to your account. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select Pages. Switch to your page by tapping the down arrow next to the profile photo and selecting the page you want to switch to. Once on your page, tap the profile picture and then the edit icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and tap Edit Your About info. Locate the pencil icon next to your email and tap on it. To remove your email, simply tap on the X next to it. Remember to tap Save at the bottom to confirm the changes. By following these steps, you have successfully removed the email from your Facebook page. This ensures that your contact information is updated and reflects accurately on your page. Thank you for watching this guide on removing your email from your Facebook page. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials to optimize your social media presence.